It's estimated that 7 million iPhones are stolen every year just in the United States. Now, if you lose your iPhone, you have a narrow window of options and opportunities to be able to get that iPhone back and to make sure the thief is not able to gain access to your iPhone. However, if you have your iPhone on you right now, you can do a number of things to, one, prevent the other person, the thief or whoever finds it, from being able to gain access to your information, but two, also prevent them from turning off your ability to track and find where that iPhone is. I'm going to walk you through the exact things that you need to do. So the first thing we're going to do is tap on the Settings app of your iPhone. From here, scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter in the passcode that you use to unlock your iPhone, and then scroll down from here. You can see it says allow access when locked, and there are a number of things toggled on by default. And a key one is Control Center. Now, if you swipe down from the top right, you'll be able to see the Control Center. The reason why this is dangerous is if a thief gains access to your iPhone, or if you lose it, without unlocking your iPhone, they can toggle airplane mode on, disconnecting from Wi-Fi and cell data, preventing you from being able to track and find that iPhone. So to prevent them from being able to do that, we want to turn off Control Center. But also I would recommend turning everything off. Siri, home controls, your Apple Wallet, workout health data, your missed calls, etc. Let's turn off all of those. So now they won't be able to turn on airplane mode if they've stolen it and they can't get in. But you also could think, well, they could just turn your phone off and then I won't be able to track it. However, let's prevent that as well. To prevent that, tap the back arrow at the top left and then scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Tap on Location Services at the top, and then tap on Share My Location midway down. From here, tap on Find My iPhone at the top. Make sure Find My iPhone is turned on, but also Find My Network. It says participating in Find My Network lets you locate this iPhone even when it's offline in power reserve or power off. Essentially, this means if that thief turns your phone off, you'll still be able to locate it. So if that is toggled off, just toggle it back on. But there are other things we should do if potentially they do have access to your phone. Maybe somebody took it and knows what your password is. There are certain things we can do to prevent them from going in and accessing a lot of things and changing things. So the next thing we're going to do is tap the back arrow, tap the back arrow again, tap the back arrow yet again, and then tap the back arrow again. Now from here, I would recommend scrolling up, tapping on Screen Time, scrolling down from here and choosing Content and Privacy Restrictions. Toggle on Content and Privacy Restrictions, and then scroll down, and you can see Allow Changes to Passcode and Face ID, Accounts, etc. The big ones are these first two, Passcode and Face ID. Switch this to Don't Allow. In addition to that, tap on Accounts and switch this to Don't Allow. And it says disallowing changes prevents adding or removing or modifying your accounts on your iPhone. Now, essentially what we're going to do is even if they know the passcode to unlock your iPhone, we're going to set a different passcode that will prevent them from changing your Apple ID password or your information or gaining access to all of that. So tap the back arrow and then tap the back arrow again and choose Lock Screen Time Settings. Now you can see it says set a screen time passcode. This is going to be something completely different from the passcode that you use to unlock your phone. Keep in mind you will need to remember this, so you may want to jot it down somewhere else in a notepad or something. I'm just going to choose for this example 1111, but of course just choose something a bit more difficult. You can choose to have a screen time password recovery, or in my case I'm just going to hit cancel and skip. Now, they won't be able to go in and change anything because if I go back here and go to the top, you can see now my name at the top is grayed out. So even if they gain access to it, they won't be able to change my Apple account password or information. The last thing you should do to protect your phone is to scroll down from the settings until you get to Face ID and passcode. Well, actually, I need to go back into screen time and turn off content and privacy restrictions to be able to do this. So just enter in that password and hit back and back. And you should see that Face ID and passcode pop back up. Enter in the passcode for your phone and then scroll down and you're going to choose Stolen Device Protection. Just tap on that and toggle this on. It says this adds another layer of security to your iPhone in the event that it is stolen or someone knows your passcode. By doing all of these things, you will have prevented basically somebody, if they either lost your phone or they stole your phone and got it, they won't be able to access it and they won't be able to turn off the mechanisms that allow you to be able to track it and get it back. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you will like that one too. Thanks, guys.